Hi, and welcome back to my channel. I am Ashley with Clean Eating and Exercises. If you are new here, do me a favor and please hit subscribe. And you know what? I have something so exciting in store for you. So let's get started. I am going to be doing a review of the Eros Pro Massage Gun from INEVIFIT. You guys, I've been using this gun for about 2 weeks after my boot camp workouts, after my Pilates, and this is a lifesaver when it comes to sore muscles, when it comes to preventing injury. It really gets deep in the tissue. So let's go over some of its features. One, not only is it really easy to hold, but the design, it's really ergonomic, it is comfortable. Next, super easy to turn on. You just hold the power button for 2 seconds, and boom, you have different levels with the tap of a button. Just finding what works, going to level 6. Okay, next, we have an assortment of attachments right here, all in this fun pack. This is going to be the most basic one, so keep watching because I'm going to go through how to use this. But what I find really, really cool about this is that it will color code depending on the amount of tension you put in. So you can see white right here. So let's get started on level 1. It will go to blue, and too much tension, red. So different colors depending on the tension. White, blue, and red is too much. So simple to use. And to turn it off, boom, there you go. Okay, so attachments. You've got just the simple ball, and then you have this one, the bullet, you got kind of the wedge, and then the flat top. And you know what? It's so easy to travel with too, because I've been taking this to the gym with me right after I teach. You just button it up, zip tight. The gun will go right in the pack. So, just like this. So simple to use. And it's going to come with a manual too. So it kind of tells you what to use those different heads for. Zipping it up. And you know what? You're good to go. The Eros Pro Massage Gun. So let's do this in action. All right, I just got done teaching a bar class. So we are going to use the Eros Pro. I am currently right now using the ball head. It is super easy to turn on, just relaxing. The ball head is designed to target large muscle groups and effectively ease sore muscles. And let me tell you right now, this feels amazing. I'm hitting my quads, I'm going towards my inner and outer thigh, avoiding my knee. It is simple to use, and this just feels so good. And after you do a workout, you just take a few minutes, cool down your body, relax your body, and this tool just does the trick. We're in such a society where we need to go, 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 that sometimes we forget what we need to do for our body and just give a little self-care to it. So this is the ball head, probably one of the main ones that I will be using with this, just because of the workouts that I do. Now think about it, if you run, if you do boot camps, you're going to be doing a lot with your legs, and this thing truly does the job. Really easy to turn off. I'm going to switch now to the fork head because we did do a lot of calf work. We did a lot of arm work. So simple, easy. I just changed the heads, and now with the fork, I'm going to be going to my calves, and it fits so perfectly into it. And you don't want to forget about this muscle group. I mean, think about it. You walk, you do everything. You work those muscles. Let's cool down those muscles. Let's massage them. Again, a few minutes, and this is all that it takes. Really easy to use this Eros Pro tool. Just go to the other leg. I'm just gliding it up and down, going to the side, making sure to hit each leg. You really need to get this tool, you guys. Super, super easy. And now I'm gonna go to my arms. I did a lot of weights. I did a lot of repetitions with my class. So now I'm gonna hit my forearms, hitting my biceps with this. And again, it fits so perfectly. It's effortless. It feels good on the muscles. And it's so easy to use this tool. It's not heavy. Some massage guns can be heavy and clunky. This one, not heavy whatsoever. And actually, the material, it fits so nicely into your hand, and I cannot recommend this enough. Take it with me to every one of my workouts, fits in my gym bag perfectly. Gonna finish up a little bit more here with my arm. You can see how easy it uses. I'm twisting my arm back and forth. Simple, effective, turn it off. Let's try out one more of the massage heads just to make sure this tool really does work. I'm gonna do the wedge head. I just got done teaching a boot camp. Now with the wedge head, it's for relaxing abdominal muscles and the lower back. Now, you can see right here, turned it on, I went to the lowest setting. I suffer from lower back pain. I went to go see a specialist, $100 a session. This tool, it will do the trick. You just go side to side with the wedge head, avoid the spine. You do not want to hit your spine with these tools. Believe me, you will feel it. You do not want to injure yourself. But you can see right here, there is a little grip at the top that I'm holding, and I'm just going up and down, side to side. Super easy to use, feels amazing. I am at the lowest setting, you know, trying it out, different things, just doing a cool down after my heavy boot camp where we did sumo squats, lifting with the core, lifting with the back. I can tell you one thing, I'm feeling those muscles. They feel great. Turn it off, boom, we're done. Eros Pro, super easy to use. Right? How did you like that? Again, easy to use. It is powerful. It travels well. It has everything that you need, this massage gun. So how do you get your hands on it? It's simple. Just go to the link in the description of this video. Click on it. You can get $35 off with my code AWELLING. Again, if you work out, you need this. Even if you just do simple exercises, you want to massage your muscles. The last thing you want to do is get stiff. Boom, easy as that. So my name's Ashley with Clean Eating and Exercises. Make sure you hit subscribe. Here is your next video. Let's do a workout. I will see you next time. Bye.